All right, so there's two really important things that you should know about this vibration plate. But first, did you know these are not just made for standing still? Full disclosure, I was sent this as part of a brand sample collaboration to test and share my honest experience. Now, I tried several of the positions shown in the instruction manual, and one of them had my abs burning. I was feeling it after I stepped off, so I'm going to show you the different ways that you can use this vibration plate, how the 120 speed levels, automatic programs, all that works, and whether the Bluetooth speaker on this thing is any good, all the resistance bands, and how they connect. Now, the first important thing to know is that it has a wide intensity range. I would absolutely start very low. It goes all the way up to 120 manual speed levels. So you can begin at level 1 and raise it one step at a time, instead of jumping straight into something that may feel too strong or stronger than you expected. The second thing is, I would look at this as really a supplemental wellness and exercise tool. It can add vibration and movement to exercises that you already do. I wouldn't treat it as like a magic weight loss machine. Your experience is going to depend on how you use it and what the rest of your routine looks like as well. And setup is pretty simple on this, but I do have two things to point out about setup, like before you get started. The power cord is not very long. You're going to need to position this fairly close to a wall outlet to plan on where you use it before you get on it. Or you might want to use like an extension cord. Now, the remote that came with it took two AAA batteries, and mine did not come with batteries. So make sure you have your own batteries on hand if you want to be able to use the remote straight out of the box. Now, other than that, you can control everything from either the remote or the LED panel on the front plate itself. On the remote, you have a power button, a play button to start it and stop it. The plus speeds, you have a plus and minus for the speeds. You can move those up and down through the levels, one increment at a time. And then you also have plus and minus buttons to adjust like your session in 1 minute increments. So you can do like 12 minutes, 13 minutes. The P button cycles through all of the automatic programs that it comes with. The controls on the plate itself are also very similar. You have your power button to start and pause, the P button to cycle through the programs, the plus minus controls so that you can change your speed time manually as well. Now, the main difference, the settings in the manual mode, it gives you direct control over the 120 speed levels, while the 8 automatic programs P0 through P7 are designed to change the speed for you during your session. The programs are not labeled with any names like beginner, leg day, or recovery. So for somebody new to vibration plates, I think the manual mode is the easiest place to begin. That's where I chose to begin, because you can choose a low level, get into a stable stance, and gradually work your way up based on how it feels to you. Now, as far as keeping this machine in place, making sure it doesn't slip out from under you, there are suction cups on the bottom. Okay, I was trying to pick this up to move it, and I can confirm the suction cups work. Listen to this. Now, as far as the positions and using it, you can definitely do basic standing. I also like the half squat posture because I feel that position working through my legs really more than standing completely straight. Standing's really going to give you like a whole body workout. You can keep your knees slightly bent, stay balanced, and start like a low setting until you understand how the movement feels. But the instruction manual was actually very helpful because it showed several different positions instead of making me guess which ones to do. So I did a sit on the plate and do like a leg lift posture. That really works your legs, glutes, abs, core, your whole kind of midsection. This was the position that stood out the most to me personally. I really felt it through my abs and core, especially when I was doing it. And then when I got off, my abs were still sore. So I really felt like it was working some kind of muscles in there. Now, you can also do a single leg position with one leg on the floor and the other one on the plate. This is going to focus on one side at a time. So just like going to a gym where you do like single body movements to focus on one side at a time. And then for upper body movements, you can lean forward with your palms on the plate or use like a forearm supported position, either one. You can, this helps like work your arms, shoulders, and back. And you can really see my arm fat jiggling there. It comes with two handle versatile resistance bands and 5 loop bands too to do resistance training. Now, it does come with a little pouch for the other resistance bands. The handles, you can turn the plate over, look to the back between the suction cups. There's like 2 small metal brackets. You can swing them outwards. They have a hole at the end. You simply clip the handled bands into those holes, and that's how you connect them to the plate. All right, this vibration plate does have Bluetooth speakers, so you can play your music or whatever through here while you're working out. Now I am going to turn it on. When you're in your phone Bluetooth settings, you are just looking for the one that says Sadosic. You're just going to connect to that. And after you connect to that, it's very easy. You just click it and it automatically connects and pairs, at least my Bluetooth did. And then all you gotta do is choose what you wanna play. Now, for copyright reasons, I'm gonna play you one of my YouTube videos instead of music.
Okay, so my dog has really been enjoying this little carrot garden dog bed.
All right, and with the remote or on the thing, you can turn the volume up.
And she just kept coming back to this one, so that pretty much gave me my answer right there.
All right, and if you can hear this, this is on max sound.
3 different sizes, I do believe. I went with the larger 28-inch.
Now with the remote, you can pause it, play it again. You can rewind it or fast forward it. And of course, turn the volume up and down. So overall, this vibration plate is versatile, easy to adjust, gives you a lot more options than just standing still. You can start at a slow speed, work your way up. So again, very customizable. Hope that helps. All right, the link to grab this one is down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you found this one helpful, please go ahead and give me a follow and like so you don't miss any of our next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.